Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove Google account from Android device reset guide step by step clearly. First, make sure the phone is at least 50% charged or keep it connected to a charger during the process. Back up your important photos, contacts, and files because a reset will erase everything on the device. Confirm you know the screen lock PIN, pattern, or password, because you may need it before the reset starts. Open Settings on your Android phone from the app drawer or the quick settings gear icon. Scroll down and tap Accounts, Users and Accounts, or tap Google to view the Google accounts currently added to the phone. Select the Google account you want to remove from this device. Tap Remove Account and confirm, then repeat for any other Google accounts you want to remove. Go back to the main settings screen after removing the accounts. Tap System, General Management, or About Phone depending on your Android version. Find an Open Reset Options or Reset, then choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Read the warning that explains your apps, photos, and settings will be deleted. Tap Reset Phone or Factory Data Reset and enter your PIN, pattern, or password when asked. Tap Erase Everything and wait while the phone restarts and completes the factory reset. If you cannot access settings, turn the phone off completely. Press and hold the correct key combo for your device to enter recovery mode, usually power plus volume up. If your device has a different combo, try power plus volume down, or check your model instructions. In recovery mode, use the volume keys to move and the power key to select. Highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset and select it. Confirm by selecting Factory Data Reset or Yes, then wait for the wipe process to finish. Select Reboot System now to restart the phone. When the setup screen appears, choose your language and connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If the phone asks for the previously synced Google account, this is factory reset protection and it is a normal security feature. To proceed, sign in with the same Google account that was on the device, or use the correct screen lock that was previously set. After you finish setup, open Settings again and confirm no unwanted Google account is listed under Accounts. If you want the phone to have no Google account, skip adding a Google account during setup when possible. If you plan to sell or give away the phone, verify it reaches the home screen without your personal accounts. Finally, test basic functions like Wi-Fi, calls, and updates to ensure the reset completed correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.